In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively structure your survey in Qualtrics by creating a dedicated introduction section. This will help provide a clear and professional start to your survey, making it easier for respondents to understand its purpose and what to expect. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your survey in Qualtrics and head over to the survey editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to design your survey just the way you want it. Once you're in the survey editor, the first step is to create a new project. You'll find this option at the top of your survey page. Adding a new project is a good practice as it keeps your introduction notes separate from the actual survey questions, allowing for a clean and organized layout. Now that we have this new project in place, let's rename it to something that clarifies its purpose. In this case, name it Introduction. The simple rename helps maintain a clear structure and ensures that you can easily identify this section in the future. It's a small but very effective step towards ensuring your survey is neatly organized. Next, it's time to add a new question to your introduction block. Look for the plus sign, which indicates the option to add a new question. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to choose a question type. For an introduction, you'll want to click the drop-down menu and select text/graphic. This choice is perfect for providing introductory text without soliciting any specific response from the survey participant. With the text graphic type selected, you now have access to the rich content editor, a handy tool that allows you to format text and incorporate any additional media if needed. What you want to insert here is a comprehensive introduction to your survey. Begin by welcoming your participants warmly and introducing yourself, as well as explaining the purpose behind the survey. People are always more inclined to participate when they understand exactly why their input is valuable. Include the estimated completion time for the survey. This transparency helps manage expectations, ensuring participants are aware of the time commitment involved. Follow this with an explanation of how the data gathered will be used. This is the perfect moment to assure participants of the confidentiality of their responses, which can significantly increase completion rates by establishing trust. Finally, conclude your introduction with clear instructions on how to proceed with the survey. This could be a simple note such as "click next to begin" or "please proceed to the questions." Keeping these instructions straightforward and easy to follow will aid in a smooth transition from the introduction to the survey itself. And that's it! By following these steps, you ensure that respondents are well informed right from the start, which can lead to a higher engagement and completion rate for your survey. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time!